Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Sanskar. Today I am going to show you 5 AI skills that are important in your life for 2026. First AI skill that you have to learn in 2026 and that will be in highly demand is prompt engineering, the art of specificity. The more explicit the prompt, the better the output. No matter which AI tool you are using, ChatGPT, Nano Banana Pro, the problem you will face is entering the prompt. The prompt engineering is all about how you give the input to the AI so that you can get a better output. The second AI skill you have to master in 2026 is building AI agent. Instead of you doing the same work, you can let the AI do its work for you. So you have to build your AI agent, so you can build it with AI tools like N8N, Zapier. Agents are autonomous systems that perform end-to-end tasks. They aren't just models, they are automatic employees with memory and access. Example, a finance agent that monitors expense files, tax and suggests investment automatically. The agent ecosystem core framework, tools like LangChain and Creo AI allows you to orchestrate multiple agents to work together on a single project. Native platform OpenAI and Anthropic now offers built-in agents that simplifies the process of giving models tools, access, and memory. The third AI skill you have to learn is AI coding assistance, where AI will help you to write your code and generate a less error or a less bug. Earlier, coding used to mean hours of Googling. Today, AI helps to write, fix and understand code in seconds. It removes the friction of boilerplate work. AI doesn't replace developer, it makes them superhuman. So now whenever you are writing any code, you can use coding assistants, tools like GitHub, Copilot, Codium, Replit AI and ChatGPT are one of the coding assistant you can use. Avoid blind copying. Blindly pasting AI output leads to technical debugs and bugs. So you don't have to simply just copy the code and paste it. This will of course lead to the bugs. Your code may also get in problem. Review and refine. You must understand the logic to maintain and scale the system. Think first. AI removes friction, but it does not replace engineering strategy. The fourth AI skill is workflow automation, connecting the dots without writing a single line of code. From entry, AI logic, responses, database. Customer fills out Google form, AI analyzes intent and sentiments, auto sends personal email, update sheets and CRM tasks. The fifth AI skill is vibe coding. Imagine vibe code tool let you build software using natural language. You explain what you want in simple words and AI generates the code, UI and logic for you. Imagine building an app by just describing the vibe you want, not writing single line of code. That's vibe coding. Vibe coding allows you to build software by describing the vibe and function you want. AI handles the UI logic and boilerplate while you guide the vision. If you can explain it clearly, you can build it. So this is basically vibe coding. Vibe coding stack, Cursor, the AI first code editor that understands your entire project, bold.new, instant full stack web development from a single prompt. Armor AI, design and deploy high fidelity sites using natural language. So this is how you can master these AI skills and become the best version of yourself in 2026. Earlier, when these skills were not there, it used to take lots of hours in simply writing the code or thinking what you want. So with the help of AI, you can simply just give a single prompt and get your output done. So use these AI skills in 2026 and do better in your profession. That's all for the video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share with someone you think who want to learn these skills in 2026.